Today we're going to install a TLR6. The first thing you want to do is make sure you practice safety first. There's no ammunition in the area, the gun has been flagged. The next thing we want to do is remove the Allen screws from the TLR. After removing the 3 Allen screws, the next thing you want to do is use a coin to pop open the battery door. The next step, remove the shells. Notice that these shells have a built-in groove here that's designed specifically to fit on the trigger guard. So we're going to install these shells, make sure the gun is laying on the flat surface. Install our first shell. Literally fit it to the trigger guard and it'll slide into place. We want to return our laser aiming module back to the shells and then mate the other shell on the other side. Apply a little bit of pressure to make sure they fit together properly. Before going any further, let's install our batteries, positive end first. Then we're going to close the battery door. And now let's return our 3 screws back to the same shell side that we used at the beginning. No need to over tighten. And now installation is complete.